Hi friends, let me show you these new EXPO dry erase markers that I bought for my office. Sometimes you only have like black and red ones. I like multicolor because for some uses it makes it more fun and more, better to use different colors. This is a 12 pack and as you can see, you get, different nice colors. Depending on your dry erase surface. This is a glass surface. Some colors will be brighter than other ones. And you can organize your presentation in a more fun or catchy way. So different colors, great for everything. So if you have a dry erase surface in your office, you could even use it in your desk if you have a glass surface desk. So they are really useful everywhere, okay? Perfect.